A very good morning, my dear students. We have done till question number 8 in our last class. So today we will start from question number 9, and the question is: a man on a cliff observes a boat at an angle of depression 30 degree. So when the man is on the top of the cliff, okay, and when he observe the boat, okay, he will see in the downward direction. So the angle of depression is 30 degree, and that boat is sailing towards the shore. Okay, that boat is coming towards the cliff, so which is sailing towards the shore to the point immediately beneath him. 3 minutes later, the angle of depression of the boat is found to be 60 degree. So after 3 minutes, when he observed the same boat, now the angle of depression will become 60 degree, and the time taken to change angle of elevation from 30 to 60 is 3 minutes. So assuming that the boat sails at a uniform speed, the boat is traveling with a uniform speed, determine number 1, how much more time will it take to reach the shore. Now how much more time will it take to reach the shore? Number 1 question. Number 2, the speed of the boat in meter per second if the height of the cliff is 500 meter. Now you have to find the speed of the boat. To find the speed, you have to find distance upon time. So here this is cliff, okay, AB is the cliff, and the initially the boat is at the point C. So when the man on the top of the cliff observe the boat, okay, when he see in the downward direction, here will be the angle of depression. So instead of making angle here, I am making on the base directly, so 30 degree. So after 3 minutes, when the boat is sailing towards the shore, okay, the boat reached here at the point D, and it takes 3 minutes to reach D. Now when that person observed the boat, now the angle of depression is 60 degree. You have to find how much more time will it take to reach the shore, means how much time is taken by that boat to cover this distance BD. How much time will it take to reach B from D? You have to find this time. Okay, and next you have to find the speed of the boat. So AB is height of the cliff, which is given 500 meter. Time taken to cover a distance of CD is 3 minutes. This is 3 minutes. And time taken to cover a distance of BD is, we have to find, this is question mark. So first we will take this triangle ABD to find this base. Again we will take triangle ABC to find this base BC. Then we can calculate this CD. In triangle ABD, tan 60 is root 3, turns permanently black, is equal to root 3, perpendicular is AB, base is BD, is equal to root 3. AB is 500 divided by BD is equal to root 3. So 500 is equal to root 3 into BD. So 500 divided by root 3 is equal to BD. So BD is 500 by root 3 meter. Now we will take another triangle ABC, tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Turns permanently black is equal to 1 by root 3. Perpendicular is AB, base is BC, is equal to 1 by root 3. So AB is 500, BC divided by BC is equal to 1 by root 3. Now cross multiplication, 500 into root 3. 500 root 3 is equal to BC into 1 BC. So BC is 500 root 3 meter. Now we will find CD. Okay, to find this CD, we have to subtract this BD from BC. So CD is BC minus BD. BC is 500 root 3 and BD is 500 by root 3. Now take LCM, write here 1. Then LCM of 1 and root 3 is root 3. So here you have to multiply by root 3 and here you have to multiply by 1. So 500 into root 3 into root 3, 3 minus 500. 500 into 3, 1500 minus 500 is 1000 divided by root 3 meter. Now what we will do is to find the time taken to reach B from D is, we will use this CD. Okay, we will use this CD. Time taken to cover CD, and the distance of CD is 1000 by root 3 meter. Time taken to cover this CD is 3 minutes. according to question. Now we have to find the time taken to cover BD, and the distance of BD is 500 by root 3 meter. Now to find the time, what we will do, we will divide this 3 by 1000 by root 3, okay, and we will multiply by 500 by root 3. So this will be reciprocal, 3 into root 3 by 1000 into 500 by root 3. Root 3 cancel, 0 0 cancel, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. So 3 by 2 is 1.5 minutes. So time taken to reach B from D is 1.5 minutes. So number 2 is you have to find speed. So speed is distance upon time. So here I am taking distance CD. So I have to take the time taken to cover CD. So distance is 1000 by root 3 and time is 3. So this 3 is in the denominator. So we will write its reciprocal. Now we will rationalize 1000 into root 3 divided by root 3 into root 3 into 3. So 1000 into root 3 by root 3 into root 3, 3 into 3. So 3 into 3 is 9. 1000 root 3 by 9. So 1000 root 3 and the value of root 3 is 1.732. So on multiplication you will get 1732 by 9, which is 192.4 meter per minute. But in question it is asked that write speed in meter per second. So we have to convert this minute into second. So we know 1 minute is 60 seconds. So in place of minute you'll write 60 second. So on division you'll get 3.2 meter per second. So this is your answer. Next is question number 10. A man in a boat rowing towards from a lighthouse 150 meter high takes 2 minutes to change the angle of elevation of the top of the lighthouse from 60 degree to 45 degree. Find the speed of the boat. So here is the lighthouse whose height is 150 meter. So suppose the boat is here. Okay, initially the boat is here, but the boat is rowing away from this lighthouse. Initially the angle of the angle is 60 degree. After 2 minutes the angle changed to 45 degree. You have to find the speed of the boat. To find the speed of the boat, the formula is distance upon time. That means you have to find this distance CD, because we have time for CD. Okay, so we have two right angle triangle ABC and ABD. So we will use this triangle ABC first. AB is height of the lighthouse, which is 150 meter. Okay, now in triangle ABC, tan 60. This is 60. Tan 60 is root 3 turns permanently black is root 3. So AB by BC is equal to root 3. 150 by BC is equal to root 3. So 150 is equal to root 3 into BC. So BC is 150 by root 3. So we will rationalize root 3 by root 3. We will multiply numerator and denominator by root 3. You will get 150 root 3 by 3. 3 1s are 3, 350 ja. So answer is 50 root 3 meter, the value of BC. Now again in triangle ABD, tan 45 is 1. Perpendicular by base is 1. Perpendicular is AB, base is BD is equal to 1. So AB is 150 divided by BD is equal to 1. So 150 is equal to BD. So now we have to find CD. To find CD, we have to write BD minus BC. So CD is BD minus BC. So 150 minus 50 root 3. Put the value of root 3, 1.732 on calculation. You will get 63.4 meter. So we got the distance CD. Now we will find speed. Speed of the boat is distance upon time. Distance is 63.4 and time is 2. So on division you will get 32.7 meter per minute.